Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So if you guys have been following along on my channel, you guys know I've been on a quest to pretty much make all my emblems black and yellow. And during my last video, what I did is I plasti dipped my TRD Pro Wheels with the Daytona yellow. And because I'm slightly a perfectionist, these kind of started to bother me. In my last video, I spent hours pretty much making a template and spraying these yellow. And since these are hand done, they weren't perfect. And it just kind of over time bothered me a little bit. So I was thinking of another solution, and I went ahead and got some stickers done. These are vinyl stickers, and these are computer made professionally. So they're nice and straight. They're not imperfected like my handwork right there, which I'll zoom in a little bit later. And these are also a nice matted look, so it's gonna give a nice clean finish to it. I originally wanted to level this out as well, but these are indented a little bit, so if I level them out, you're gonna see some indentation in the sticker, and that's gonna be a little bit imperfected. I think that's gonna bother me some. So let's go ahead and zoom in. I'll show you the work, and I'll also show you how these stickers are. All right, I'm gonna lay them right on top. There you go. Much better. There you go. Let's see. Much better. And there you go.